Changing your Slack workspace name can help improve branding and recognition. It also makes your workspace easier for members to identify and trust. So in this video, let's see how you can change the workspace name in Slack. First, log into the Slack website. If you have more than one workspace connected to your account, go ahead and select the workspace that you want to edit. Now we're inside the Slack dashboard. From here, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on your current workspace name. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, click on the workspace name option once again. Now you'll see a pop-up window open. In this window, you can type the new name you want to use for your Slack workspace right here in this field. Once you're done, click the Save button to apply the changes. And that's it. This is how you can easily change the workspace name in Slack. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.